Greetings from EarthLab. Welcome you all for this important video about cleaner production and how it is done. Cleaner production, which is a methodology to achieve circular economy, refers to the application of an integrated preventive environmental strategy to processes, products, and services, in order to increase overall efficiency and reduce risks to humans and the environment. Simply said, it means applying environmentally friendly strategies throughout all life cycle stages of a product, not only during disposal, as many would do. It aims to minimize waste and emissions, reduce resource consumption, and optimize the use of energy and materials throughout the life cycle of a product or process. There are 5 key methods to achieve cleaner production. 1. Good housekeeping. 2. Input material substitution. 3. Technology modification. 4. Product modification. 5. On-site recovery/recycling. Let's go through all, one by one in details. First one is good housekeeping. Good housekeeping in the context of cleaner production refers to a set of practices and procedures aimed at maintaining a clean, organized, and efficient work environment, while minimizing waste, pollution, and resource consumption. Here are some methods to practice good housekeeping. 1. Get rid of wasteful practices. 2. Spill and leak prevention. 3. Better inventory management. 4. Cleanliness and organization. Secondly, input material substitution. Input material substitution in cleaner production refers to the process of replacing raw materials, chemicals, or ingredients used in production processes with alternative substances that are safer, more environmentally friendly, or more sustainable. Which means, 1. Use more renewable materials. 2. Use non-toxic or less toxic material. 3. Use recycled or recyclable materials. Would help. Then, technology modification. Technology modification in cleaner production refers to the process of modifying existing technologies or adopting new technologies to improve environmental performance, reduce pollution, minimize resource consumption, and enhance overall sustainability in production processes. Some methods we can use are given below. 1. Clean energy technologies. 2. Modify production processes to increase efficiency. 3. Digitalization and automation. 4. Maintaining equipment regularly. Then, product modification. Product modification in cleaner production refers to the process of making changes to products or goods to improve their environmental performance, reduce their environmental impact, and enhance their overall sustainability throughout their life cycle. Here are some methods to make it practical. 1. Design for durability and longevity. 2. Design for reuse and recycle. 3. Choose materials that have lower environmental impact. Lastly, on-site recovery or recycling. On-site recovery/recycling in cleaner production refers to the practice of recovering and recycling materials, energy, or resources within the production facility or at the production site itself, instead of disposing of waste materials or byproducts. Some methods we can use are given below. 1. Capture and reuse waste energy. 2. Establish processes to recycle materials, such as metals, plastics, paper, and glass. 3. Implement systems to recover valuable resources such as chemicals from waste streams. By embracing cleaner production practices, we're not only reducing waste and pollution, but we're also fostering innovation, driving economic growth, and safeguarding the well-being of current and future generations. Thank you for joining us on this journey towards sustainability. Together, we can make a difference. Let's keep moving forward towards a cleaner, greener future. Together, we can make it happen. See you again.